Alright guys, 2019 Quail Motorcycle Stroll. Welcome. Let me show you around. Alright guys, here's the bike from the photo shoot with the pole. Let's check it out. So all of them half a mil. So how many do we have here? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So like yeah, probably around like a 5 million here. Guys, this concludes a Quail Motorcycle event. Today is Sunday, so I have to hook up the trailer to my car and then place the bike on it, and then we're heading home. Yeah, it was pretty awesome event, and I also want to say special thanks to Quail Events, Courtney and Nicolette, so they made this weekend very special for me. Thank you guys very much. Alright, let's put this trailer, let's hook it up this trailer to the car. Let's do the light check. Alright, light check passed. Let's go pick up the bike. Alright, see you guys. Alright, let's pick up the bike. Yeah, it was super awesome weekend. I think one of the best motorcycles weekend I ever did. Thank you, Quail, again very much. guys, let's secure the bike. we're heading home. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit this like button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Ciao. Alright, and if you watched my previous video, you know that I did a photo shoot for Quail Motorcycle Gathering, and let me show you the final product, how does it look like. And I'm actually super pumped how it turned out. It looks so amazing, and I'm very proud actually to be part of this event. And thank you very much again, Quail, that you give me this opportunity. Alright, let's do it. And I forgot actually about gift bags. Let me show you guys what is inside.